In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic piping mode on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we want to do is open the Settings app. So I'll just tap on Settings to bring up the main settings screen. Once that opens, you'll see the usual list of options for your device. From here, we're going to look for the General section, so I'm just scrolling down a little bit through the list until I see it. And there it is. Go ahead and tap on General. This section contains a lot of the system level settings for your iPhone. Now that we're inside the General menu, the next thing we're going to do is find the option called Picture in Picture. So I'm just scrolling down through the list here, moving past a few options, and you should eventually see Picture in Picture. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Alright, so now we're inside the Picture in Picture settings. This is where you control how PIP works on your iPhone. If you're not familiar with it, Picture in Picture lets videos continue playing in a small floating window while you use other apps on your phone. At this point, you'll see an option called Start PIP automatically. Right next to it, there's a toggle switch. This switch controls whether Picture in Picture starts automatically when you leave a video that supports PP. So if you want your iPhone to automatically switch a video into the floating Picture in Picture window when you swipe out of the app, you can turn this toggle on. I'll just tap the switch here so it turns on. And if you ever decide you don't want that behavior anymore, you can come back to the same place and simply tap the toggle again to turn it off. When it's off, videos won't automatically move into Picture in Picture when you leave the app. Once you set the toggle the way you want, the change applies immediately. There's nothing else you need to confirm or save, so you can just exit the settings whenever you're done. And that's pretty much it. You just open Settings, go into General, tap on Picture in Picture, and then use the Start PIP automatically toggle to turn the feature on or off. So that's how you enable automatic Picture in Picture mode on an iPhone.